Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As the schools were closed for spring break, I thought to give a deep clean to Kulsum's room. So today's video is about cleaning and reorganizing her room. I have not made major changes, just reorganized whatever was there. Hope this video finds you well. Keep watching. I began with arranging her toys. No matter how much ever I clean her toys, they always end up being a mess. So this time I asked her to sit with me and segregate them. I took two bags. The ones she wasn't using and were in a good condition, we gave it off to charity and threw the broken ones. And I told her to arrange the rest herself so that she knows where which toy is. I found so many things in it: rubber bands, hair clips, and few of my kitchen items too. I've put all the blocks and the wooden blocks in one box. Box to trash. My jars and boxes which I actually thought were lost. And finally, we are done sorting out her toys. She has helped me doing it, so she knows where to put which toy after playing. Time to clean and reorganize her cupboard. It took 2 hours for me, but finally done. Here I have used partition cards to segregate her clothes. Kulsum is done with the first year of schooling, and that's the reason I was really emotional. I did not want to do anything with the books, but had no other choice as we had to make space for the new books. These worksheets were printed on one side, so I have kept it to make her practice on the other side. I have seen my mom keeping our old books for reference and for good pictures. So doing the same thing here with her EVS book. I did not throw away all her books. I've kept it as a memory for her to see later. This is a chart which I had printed to make her practice CVC words. I have a video on that. We'll link it down below in the description box. A 4-line book was full, but there were few pages in the square book, so I've kept it for her to practice. This file has all the drawings which she has done watching videos on YouTube. And in this folder, all her KG1 craft activities are kept. They are really very cute, so I did not feel like doing anything with it, so kept it as such. This is a small booklet which he had made. The ring book I ordered from Facebook long back, and it's a reusable one. Her book section is clean now. I have sharpened and kept all the color pencils in this big box, and all her crayons are in the small pencil case. This is a DIY pen holder which she made in her school for best out of waste activity. Some craft work done during holidays. Well, that's it guys for today's video. Hope you liked it. Do follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys with new videos. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.